Hey guys, welcome back to another Cooking Phone video. So today we're doing the official unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy J7 Refine. So as you can see, this is the Boost Mobile variant. So Boost Mobile, unlimited data, talk, and text. And of course, now they add data in front of it. It used to be talk, text, and data. But as you can see, here's the box. Datos, llamadas y textos sin límite. So that's in Spanish with select plans. Like I said, it's just English and Spanish. So here it says Samsung Galaxy J7 Refine, 5.5-inch touchscreen display, talk time up to 31 hours. It does have a 32 gigabytes of ROM with 2 gigabytes of RAM. So it's going to have 32 gigs of internal storage with 2 gigabytes of RAM. It does have a 1.6 gigahertz octa-core processor, so that's really good. So yeah, let's get into it and see what we have. So on the right side, you basically just have mumbo jumbles, stuff from the FCC and all that stuff. On the right, on the left side, this is the right, this is the left. The left side just says no contract. So there you go. So no service contracts, pretty cool. It's prepaid, the top. And then let's look at the back. So it says Samsung Galaxy J7 Refine. So it's a 5.5-inch touchscreen display, 3,300 milliamp battery. That's what I really like about that, is it does have a really big battery with 31 hours of talk time. 13 megapixel main camera with a 13 megapixel front. That's one reason I decided to pick this phone up, guys, is it does have a 13 by 13 camera. So 13 in the back, 13 in the front, which is crazy. I don't know what phone has a 13 megapixel front facing camera. So yeah, 32 gigs of ROM, which is basically 32 gigs of internal storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM, Android OS. It's going to be a 4G LTE slash LTE Plus with a 20 by 20 CA and HPUE. That just basically means it's going to really try to get the best service it can and speeds. 1.6 gigahertz octa-core processor. As you can see here, it says pick a plan, pay by the month, activate either online or in store, and then do your payment. So then of course on the bottom you do have the Sprint, Samsung, Bluetooth, Android, and then on the bottom you do have your barcodes. So let's go ahead and pop it open and see what we have inside. First time, I just got this phone literally right now, maybe 5 minutes ago from FedEx. So FedEx is the one that drops it off, not UPS or anything like that. God, these boxes are always... There we go. So that's as best as I could do opening it without really cleaning it. Wow, look at that. So it looks just like the J7 Refine. Reminds me of the box. You can check that out in the description below. But guys, check this out. Look at that. I love the blue box, guys. Honestly, that's just killer. I like how that looks. Look at this nice blue box. J7, big J7 in the front, Refine. So J7 Refine. On the left side, you do have same thing. It says Samsung Galaxy J7 Refine. I really like the blue box. So let's see at the top. There's nothing. The bottom, nothing but a code basically. Then on the right is where you open it. In the back, let's see. It's kind of funny. It's like a little sticker. I don't know. So let's see what it says. Like I said, it just looks like they just tacked on the sticker. So it says a Samsung Galaxy J7 Refine, 32 gigs, of course. Packaging contains Samsung Galaxy J7 Refine, wall/USB charger, and terms of condition. So I really do like the package that it comes with. It kind of reminds me of Motorola, how they started doing their packaging. So Boost Mobile, I do give you kudos for that. So let's go ahead and pop it open. 32 gigs is definitely something I've been looking for in a phone for a while. Whoops. So let's go ahead and pop it open. So like I said, cut away from you, not towards you. So there we go. That should be enough to pop this thing open. Alright guys, moment of truth. Wow. Wow. Look at that presentation, man. Look at it. Look how huge this phone looks like. So I just want to compare it real quick to the right here to the Achieve. This is J3 Achieve, and this is the Refine. So look at the size difference. It doesn't look like it's that much bigger. I mean, this is what, a 5-inch phone, so this is 0.5 inches bigger. So half an inch bigger. It's not bad. So let's go ahead and get into it. We'll get into the phone. Wow, it's a huge phone. I like that it's not crazy big. It's not 6 inches or anything, so it's not crazy big. But 5.5 inches is big enough, guys. It is a gold color. So let's see what we have internal. So you can see, here you go, terms of conditions, a little booklet. So it's pretty cool. Nobody really reads this thing, nobody cares. You do have your SIM extractor toolkit right here. So you can see there it is. So it's pretty cool. So that basically, with this phone, what I read online is that you cannot remove the battery. So that's why it has this SIM extractor tool. Then we have our power brick. Let's see, it doesn't say fast charge or anything. So I don't think it's quick charge. Let's see what it says here. Travel adapter. So Voyage adapter, I guess that's in French or something, I don't even know. Samsung, nice logo right there. So like I said, it's not no quick charge, but I'll see. I do have a quick charge, Motorola quick charge, and a Samsung one, so I'll try it with that and see if it charges really fast. We do have our charger right here. So that was basically the adapter to the wall, and here we go. It is micro, guys. It's not Type-C, so I know by this time Boost Mobile, or at least Samsung, should have a Type-C charger. But I mean, it's okay. I mean, a lot of people still use micro. There you go. So as you can see, a lot of people still use micro, guys. So nothing bad with that. All right, so let's get into the phone now. That way we don't make this too long. So let's close this amazing packaging. So kudos for that. Whoops, almost forgot this. So let's get into the phone now. So let's take off this plastic that it comes with. So there we go. Wow. So check this out, guys. So here's the phone. Bam. So get that thumbnail going on right there, you know, it's pretty cool. So then here's the back of it, of course. So it's very nice, guys. So yeah, let's stop playing with this and let's get to the phone. So here we go, guys. Wow, look at this. I'm liking it really good. Wow, it's a huge phone. So I like the gold color of it. So as you can see, here it is. Very nice, guys. Nice gold color. So the front, let's get into it. So we have our physical button right down here. You have your back button and then a multitask button. On the top, you do have your 13 megapixel front-facing camera, which is crazy. And then Samsung logo, your earpiece, and then I'm guessing your proximity sensor. On the right side of it, you do have your power button. Wow, these buttons feel solid, not cheap at all. You do have your speakers on the side. So on the right side, a lot of people in my last video asked me, where's the speaker? Guys, it's on the right side right here. On the left side of it, you do have your volume up and volume down. You can just hear that crisp clicking. On the top, you have basically a mic. On the bottom, you have your 3.5 meter headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Then, of course, your micro charger, and then a mic. On the back, you do have your 13 megapixel rear-facing camera with a flash. So it's pretty cool. Look at that. Nice. Samsung logo, and then just some other stuff of not throwing away. So let's do the first boot up, guys. So this is gonna be first boot up. Whoa. So like I said, the battery's built in. You can't remove it. It's a 3,300 milliamp battery, so you can't remove it. You might be asking, where do I put my SIM card or SD card? I just saw it right now too. It's on the left side right here, guys. As you can see, that's where you would pop in your extractor, but right there while this phone comes on. So here we go. And then I'll kind of fast forward some of these parts, that way we're not stuck here forever. So start an Android. Ooh, wow. Came with 56% battery. That's very nice. So here we go. Does have 8.0. And then let's go ahead and log into the Wi-Fi. So let me just log in real quick. Wow, and the keyboard was nice. So far it's nice and smooth. I'm not having any issues or any lag at all. But like I said, we're here to test out this phone fully, do some, you know, gaming reviews. Camera, like I said, camera is the main thing I want to test out in just a little bit. Just trying to activate it right now. Of course, I don't have it programmed or anything. No, so all right. Wow, look at that. Set up face recognition. What? Set up pin, pattern, password, or no thanks, guys. This does have face recognition. Wow. So I'm not gonna do it right now. I'll make a separate video about that. But that's pretty cool. I didn't know this had facial recognition, so that's a plus right there in my book so far. All right, guys. So here it is. It is ready to go. It's finally done. This phone actually took a lot less time than my Achieve did, my J3 Achieve, to actually program and stuff. This one right away just said all done once you go through all the steps. So let's do a little quick view of this phone. Wow, it's huge screen, guys. So wow, this thing reminds me of my Samsung Galaxy S9 just because of how it's set up, the Samsung and the 8.0 and all that stuff, you know. So you swipe up like you do on the S9 and the S8. So there's no drawer button. So all you do is just swipe up and that's how it will take you. Let's see if there's any kind of bloatware that comes with it. Doesn't look like it, so not much bloatware. Of course, once we do the Boost Mobile, there will be some bloatware, but let's do a scroll down real quick. So this is the first boot up. We're looking at it, so here you go. Here's all the stuff you do have. So airplane mode, flashlight. So let's see. Turn on the flashlight. So wow, there it is, pretty bright. Power saving mode, location, smart view, mobile hotspot, secure folder, blue light filter, phone visibility, do not disturb, sync, mobile data, and Dolby Atmos. So that's pretty cool. For the audio, you know, you do need headphones. So if you click on it, it should say you need some headphones, so, or Bluetooth at least. So that's pretty cool, guys. So let's see some of the stuff internally, how much storage we actually get. So storage. All right, here we go, guys. So wow, this one uses a lot. So available space is 23.5 gigs. So out of the box, you get 23.5. System uses about 8.5 gigs. And then you can just clean. I do like that. It does have a little cleaning app on there. So that's pretty cool. Memory, as you can see, I do have, what is this? So 2 gigs, it's using, wow, it's using almost, what, a gig? Good Lord. But overall, here's what it has, guys. Like I said, this is just a quick little thing. Biometrics and security, so facial recognition, that's pretty cool. There is no fingerprint scanner, but it does have facial recognition, so I do give it kudos for that. So let's look at the software that it does have. Here we go. So there we go. It does have Android version 8.0 with Samsung Experience version 9. So wow, pretty cool, guys. Hopefully you like this. Like I said, it's just a quick little view, and let's look at the camera before we actually go and see how well it is. Turn off. So wow, it does have Bixby vision so far. It's pretty cool. I do like that. So let's do the front and see how great that is. Well, full vision, my bad, wrong button. So here it is. Wow, take selfie easily. So hold your hand out with your palm facing the camera. Wow, look at that, guys. This actually looks really good. I just got a haircut, so shout out to that. So there we go. So you can see my camera right there. So far it looks pretty decent. So I'll take some videos of all that stuff. So guys, this is a quick unboxing and I guess first boot up of the new Samsung Galaxy J7 Refine. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and stay tuned for the review and a bunch of videos on this